What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of King Customs, and now thank you all for joining. If you are new to my channel, my name is Ryan, so it's a pleasure to meet you all, and if you guys are returning, thank you again. So on this episode, we are going to talk about all the parts for the Corolla engine rebuild and how much it costs. Now, right now, currently, the block, the head, that's all at the machine shop. They're going to machine it, they're going to check it, they're going to tell me what that costs. I don't know yet. But in the meantime, I actually went over to Toyota. I bought everything OEM. And honestly, when I checked the comparison from like aftermarket to OEM, it's basically a few dollars more to get the OEM stuff. Sometimes it's a little bit cheaper. So I just went with the original stuff from Toyota. I got all the valve seals, head bolts, oil pump, everything, all the seals, everything, head gasket, everything from Toyota, and I got a really good deal at it. Everything total cost about $1,500 even, actually. $1,500 even, everything cost for all the parts. Labor is absolutely free because it's my dad. What am I gonna charge him for? So it's free labor. Plus I get to build awesome content for you guys with it. But $1,500 in parts. I'm not sure how much the machine shop's going to cost, but if they have to bore out the block, they did tell me $50 per cylinder. It's a 4-cylinder, so that's $200. And then to rebuild the head, so we're probably looking at maybe $500 or a little bit lower than that, hopefully. But yeah, all in all, I'm just waiting on the parts to come in. I'm actually going to go pick up the valve seals today from Toyota because I think that's here today. And I forgot to deliver my bearing caps to Headmasters so they can, adjust the valves for me on the head when they're redoing it. So, yes, I'm also having them redo the valves and everything in the head as well because I just don't want to take that. I just don't want that responsibility onto me. I'd rather have them do it. They're the professionals on that, and there's a saying that I always follow by: give Jack his jacket and Jim his gym boots. And that's some advice that I'll always take throughout my life. Give Jack his jacket and Jim his gym boots. Meaning, you gotta give certain jobs to certain people who know what they're doing. Now, the head I can rebuild, but to save time, I'll just have them do it for me when they shave it. It'll all be done and it's just for me to snap back in. The block, they'll do the pistons. They'll put on, but I will insert the pistons and the piston rings in the block myself, and I'll build it from there and torque it down because they'll give me all the torque specs like last time. Other than that, yeah, guys, that's what I have so far with the update on the car. All I know is once I rebuild this, it's going to last forever, and we're not going to get rid of this car. A lot of people are probably like, dude, why are you spending so much money on a Corolla? The truth is, I'm not spending the money, my dad is, so it's on him, but whatever. We're gonna keep the car. It's gonna last long, and I actually like it. It's not a bad car. Plus, it's gonna be faster than any other stock Corolla out there because the pistons are a little bit bored out. I think they'll probably bore it out to 20 thousandths to 30 thousandths over. And yeah, when I build it, I'm building it to last a lifetime, not to rot away. Plus, the body on this vehicle is really good. Like, take a look at this. This is a clean body. It's so clean. There's no rust. There's no nothing on this. Even look at the engine bay. It's clean. It's super clean. There's nothing wrong in this engine bay. Everything is clean. Everything works. And yeah, so right now what I'm going to do is head over to Headmasters, give him these bearing caps, give him the valve seals, and that will be that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick update video. If you did not, hit the dislike button. No, I'm kidding. Don't hit the dislike button. Hit the like button. And also, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. But most importantly, hit that like button because it helps with the YouTube algorithm and it's going to help boost my channel to new levels for 2021. And I'm working hard to release a video for you guys every single day, so it's hard to think of things, and I'm trying to post these videos days out in advance, which I'm doing a terrible job at because I find myself recording a video every single day to edit and release that same day, so it's on a rushed time crunch, so I'm trying to get ahead in all my videos. So I think this is like the third or fourth video I just filmed today. But with that being said, peace out, and I'll see you all later.